liberal sissies shitting in my damn yard. Alright, ready?
Yep.
So first up, we've got the makeshift Glock. This was an 80% build from Polymer 80 years ago. In fact, I was about 14, 15. Yeah, it has issues quite frequently, so we're gonna see how this goes.
Let's do it.
Alright, let's do it.
We're at about 15 yards, right?
Yep. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright. So first few shots, we're just gonna try to hit the center. This thing has never shot on target in its life, so we're just gonna try it out. A little low and to the left. Not bad. A few more. So it's low. Now I think we need to, you know, finish off the rest of the magazine. What do you think?
Number one rule, baby.
One mag, everyone knows the rules. Alright, let's go check out the damage. So as we can see, the first shot was a little off target. Second shot, third shot, and the rest of the 16 were over here, and one up a little high. I'm sure our neighbors are not too happy about the missed ones because I don't count 16 there. But not half bad. I did not expect her to shoot without jamming at all. So.
All right, fellas, look, I got the Smith & Wesson SD9VE, aka the off-brand Glock. Let's give it a shot. All right, first two shots, try to put them on target. Low and to the right. Way high, oh baby. And high, top right. This thing is just not shooting straight, I blame the gun. All right, you guys know the rule. Yep. That's something. What? Yeah, baby. Alright. Fellas, I have a real Glock 40, alright? Glock 22 is 40 cal. And it's got a dick.
A blick with a dick.
It's extended mag, blick with a dick. Alright. Give it 11 shots. Oh yeah. I don't know where I'm hitting. High. This.
Let me give it a shot. Let me give it a shot.
Alright, you get this thing a shot. One more. Man, I suck. Alright.
I'm gonna give her a shot. I've never shot a real Glock in my life, so I'm very excited. I've got about 12 rounds left in this thing. See how it performs. The blick with the dick. You good?
Yeah.
Damn. It's powerful.
Thing's spicy.
It's nice. I like it. It's not on target though. I wouldn't trust it with my life. So let's move on. So now we're going to go ahead and start on the penetration test. We're going to start off with my custom built fart Glock. So as you can see here, we've got a few loaves of bread, the highest quality we could possibly find, I assure you. We went ahead and set one down there, and we're going to see how many slices of bread this Glock penetrates. Let's peep this out.
As if we can hit it.
You ready?
Yeah.
missed. We're gonna try again. We missed. We're gonna try again.
Oh, that looked like a hit.
I think that's a hit.
Let's give it a look. Let's give it a look.
Let's check it out. So, I'm gonna set this here. I don't really give a shit about it. Let's see the entrance wound if we can find it. Well, there's definitely an exit.
That is
wound.
the exit.
Where the hell did...
Just rip it open, bro.
Alright, let's rip it open.
Oh, there it is.
Is that the entrance?
Yeah, that's it.
Wow.
Oh, 2.
3, 4. We got 5.
Just skip to the. We saw the exit. We know it exits.
6 loaves of bread. 7, 8, 9, 10. It looks like it actually went all the way through. Wow. Okay. Very cool. Let's move on to the next.
That was the custom built Glock. Now we're gonna go with the real Glock. Glock 22, 40 caliber. Let's give it a shot. First of all, we need to put bread down there. Surely I can hit that, right?
I don't know. Hopefully it penetrates.
What?
Hopefully it'll penetrate.
Yeah, surely it will. Alright.
A little high.
High?
Oh! I think you got a hit.
That looked like a hit. Gonna set this down over here safely
Safely on that rock.
on that rock.
One day we'll be
On that
able
rock.
to afford the table.
Dude,
I
we
see
have a
an
hole.
exit.
We have 2 holes. I hit it twice,
Oh, you
bro.
hit it twice.
Bro. Dude. Dude. Dude.
Show me some of the loaves.
Dude.
It went through all of them?
Dude, all the bread. No exit though.
It didn't go through all the bread. Nope.
Dude, the bread stopped it.
So
Oh, there we go. Okay,
this
so you can
many
see,
pieces of bread.
So you can see it went left, 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 far left, even more left, down, and out.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Let's move on to the next.
Yep. Alright. Now for the off-brand Glock. This thing's kinda cool. I like the silver. It looks really old though.
It's very
Thanks,
nice.
Corby. Alright. Let's go give this a shot.
Let's peep this out.
Alright. This next bread, will it penetrate? Yeah. That hit?
I can't tell.
Let's go check.
Is it done? Is it out?
Yeah, no.
Let's peep this out. See if it penetrated.
Safely up on this rock. I see a
So I
bullet
do
hole.
see. Go ahead and tear that open, Jake.
Don't litter, right?
This isn't looking promising.
Oh?
Oh,
No, I think
it didn't penetrate.
it didn't penetrate. Wow, this bread stopped. This bread stopped that bullet.
So-
I didn't miss. This
so-
bread stopped that bullet. I'm
So
gonna put it back right here though, and I'm gonna go back up here and just get another look. Bro, are you recording me still? Bro. Wow. Now, just to really make sure it stopped, we're gonna go to this one too.
invincible bread. Oh. I think it went through. Let's go check it out.
Quick, pick it out.
So it reversed
It made it
Michael
dirty.
Jackson to the bread.
This bread stopped all those bullets. That is so. This bread is.
Oh,
Was that a bullet?
no, I can't tell now.
Hold on, let me just. Hold on. It did not stop. It did not stop.
This Glock, this built Glock,
Wow.
stop it.
Wow. Look, yeah, there's evidently
There it
bullet
is.
holes.
There it is.
But the bread seemed to have stopped. I think that's what happened. The bullet hit the bread, ricocheted off the bread, through the bag, and that explains why it's hitting this. And I didn't just miss, it was just bouncing off the bread, through the bag, off the tree.
That does make sense, yeah.